So Google has released the beta version of its AI tool, BARD, and it's only available for people in the US and also United Kingdom. And in this video, I'm actually going to share with you how you're going to be able to get the beta access of this new AI tool if you are not in the US or the United Kingdom. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your browser and then you're going to go to this website right here, bard.google.com. And when you open the app, let me refresh the page, you're going to see how it looks like, and it's going to tell you BARD is currently not supported in your country. Stay tuned. So this means you're not going to be able to use this app right here. So what you're going to do next is you go to your App Store or your Play Store, and then you download this VPN right here, Windscribe, and then you change your location to either Los Angeles or United Kingdom right here. You can see you can change it to any of the locations. And when you tap on the locations like this, and then you see the ones with the stars, that is the paid version. So you just need to tap on the ones with a love by them. That is pretty much very cool. So in that case, I'm just going to tap on this Los Angeles one right here, and it is going to connect for me. So when it connects for me, I'm going to go to the website again, and then I'm just going to refresh the page. So you can see I have the VPN on. So I'm just going to refresh the page. And you're going to see, they will tell me to join their list right here, and that is going to give me the access to BARD. So you're going to tap on this like this, and you're going to be asked to opt in. You're going to see this one right here, and they will tell you you're going to receive an email. So this is the email you are going to see to show that they are actually going to send you the BARD link for you to just get a chance to review it or have the chance to use it. So subscribe and also make a date, because I'm actually going to make a full in-depth review of the BARD AI in case I get a link and I'm able to use the app. So if you found value in this video, just like it up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot I'm going to share with you. Without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.